Is the dollar yen on a one-way trip to the moon? The currency pair just exploded, smashing through major barriers and leaving traders scrambling. Let's break down this powerful move and what the charts are telling us might happen next. The overall market pulse for USDJPY is overwhelmingly bullish. The dollar has shown incredible strength, climbing for 3 consecutive days and pushing the pair to a 3-week high. We're seeing a sharp, almost vertical rally on the charts, with the price surging from the 147s to well above 148 in a very short time. This is a classic breakout scenario, with the dollar gaining almost 1% against the yen. So where are the key levels traders are watching now? Right now, the entire game revolves around the 148.65 level. This has become the new critical pivot point. If you're a bull, you want to see the price stay firmly above 148.65. A solid hold here suggests the upward momentum is strong, and the next logical target would be the resistance level up at 149.5. We've already seen the price test as high as 149.18, so this target is well within reach. However, if you're looking for a potential reversal or a shorting opportunity, a decisive break and close below that 148.65 support level would be the signal. A failure to hold this line could indicate the rally is exhausted, potentially triggering a sell-off back down towards the 147.50 area. To summarize, here are the key takeaways. The market is currently dominated by strong bullish momentum, with the dollar flexing its muscles. The most important level to watch is 148.65. As long as we stay above it, the bulls are in control, with an eye on 149.50. A fall below could signal a change in tide. With major economic data on the horizon, expect more volatility. The dollar yen is certainly the one to watch. Trade smart and keep an eye on those levels.